I love how big these cabbages are getting this year.
Yes, with plenty of sunshine and care, they grow nicely, don't they?
These sunflowers have grown so tall this year.
Yes, they're taller than I remember. It has been an amazing summer.
Oh, these vegetables are really thriving this year.
Are you happy about how beautiful everything is? These radishes look fantastic, my dear.
Yes, they're the best I've grown in years.
Maybe the soil here is really good.
Are these radishes to your liking?
They look very tasty, and I think they will taste great.
What a beautiful stream.
Yes, it is, and very good for washing the radishes that we need for our dinner tonight.
And now for the magical moment where we crack the egg.
I was reading about the history of the Silk Road and how it connected different cultures.
It's amazing how much we can learn from the past.
There we go, little buds. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. You're gonna be great.